Hi there, myself Sanjay B. I've been working as a data analyst intern at Abhyaz since April 2025.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Salman Khan and I recently completed my internship as an inventory management executive at Abhyaz.
During my 3-month internship, I got hands-on experience with tools like Zoho CRM, Zoho Recruit, Zoho Forms, and Zoho Sheets.
During my internship, I had the opportunity to work under product development and delivery team, where I actively contributed to successful Zoho Books implementation for Pexa Fashions.
This experience strengthened my skills in collaboration, communication, and problem solving in a remote work environment. I want to especially thank my mentor for her consistent guidance and professional example, which greatly inspired me.
I'm proud to share that I successfully delivered 3 outcomes during my internship, including process documentation, vendor onboarding setup, and automation workflow setups.
I highly recommend this internship to anyone looking for a practical experience in CRM management, data automation, and analytics.
I'd like to sincerely thank Abhyaz team and my fellow peers, my mentor, and my project manager for their continuous guidance and support throughout my internship journey.
Thank you, Abhyas, for this incredible opportunity.